Welcome to the quiz challenge. Read each question, choose your answer before time runs out, and stay for the reveal. Let's start. Meet Wellsight, the privacy-first app for healthier phone habits. It monitors screen distance on your device, gives contextual reminders when the phone is too close, and even supports voice-recorded alarms that feel more meaningful than generic tones. You can monitor all apps or only the ones you choose, then use reports and alerts to build safer, more mindful screen time. Meet Penny, a privacy-first personal finance tracker. Choose the apps you want to monitor and set your preferred notification language. Penny captures finance messages, extracts amounts automatically, and turns everyday alerts into budgets, reports, dashboard insights, and EMI planning, while keeping your data on your device. If you enjoyed this quiz, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who love mind puzzles. You can also download Wellsight and Penny from the Play Store using the links in the description.